Hey, welcome back to Mr. Lamb's Science Corner. Science and math again today. We're going to do a game called 4 4s, which is really not so much a game as it is a challenge to your students, especially the tag students. A lot of times, we have things for tag. This one happens to be a fairly good one, although there is one thing that you have to be careful about, which I'll get to in a minute. Using 4 4s in any mathematical operation, but only 4 4s, you need to be able to write numbers from any set of numbers that you want. Usually you challenge the student to start at 0 and see how far they can go. Okay, so this would be very simple. For example, let's see, we'll use this here. If we write 4 4s in the form of 44 minus 44, we get 0. Or, and there's more than one way to skin a cat, they say. 4 over 4 minus 4 over 4, that's 1 minus 1, which is 0. So there's not just one answer. There's many times. So another challenge could be, how many times can you use 4 4s to calculate 0? And how many different ways can you do it? There's different possibilities. As I've written down some examples here. 44 over 44 equals 1. 4 over 4 plus 4 over 4 is 2. 4 plus 4 plus 4, all divided by 4, notice the parentheses there, is equal to 3. And then we start getting a little more complicated here. 4 plus, in brackets, 4 times 4 minus 4. 4 minus 4, of course, is 0. 4 times 0 is 0. So 4 plus 0 is 4. And then 5 is 4 times 4 plus 4. 16 plus 4 is 20. Divided by 4 is, of course, 5. And you can do this, and here's the thing you got to be careful about is, if you're giving this as a challenge to a tag student, they might very well be very much tagged and look it up on Google. So I would not give this as a overnight assignment, because the chances are pretty good they'll go like, well, I can get all the answers, and in looking for this to see if it is indeed on Google, I found a website that has answers up to 22. And certainly, I'm quite sure there are other websites out there that go far beyond that. So you might be surprised at how great this student is, and what they really did was just copy things down. I know I did that when I was gave an unfortunately extra credit assignment to my chemistry students, and asked them to write words based on chemical symbols. So, for example, we have carbon, hydrogen, and astatine. So you had chat. Nice, cute. I thought it was a cute little thing to do. And it turns out there's websites out there galore doing this very same thing. And I had students coming in with words that use like 20 letters. And I thought, well, whoa. And then I thought, well, I wonder if it's on Google, and sure enough it was. So if you're going to give this to a student, show them how to do it, set them to do it, don't let them have their cell phone out. But other than that, it's a very fun thing to do. Okay, challenge. Thank you very much. Goodbye.